Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the Snapdragon 870 versus Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor. The Snapdragon 870 is from the iQOO 7 device and the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor is from the POCO X8 device. The POCO X8 and the Redmi Note 12 Turbo, they both have the same processor, and in this video I'm going to do the quick speed test comparison between these both phones, and we'll try to see which phone will be having what kind of performance while comparing side by side in this video. The iQOO 7 is exactly kind of close to 2-year-old mobile phone Snapdragon 870 processor, and the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2, which is the latest and powerful processor which is available at this moment. And this is a quick speed test comparison between these both processors, and this test might give the clear idea like how much difference you're gonna expect between this both processors, like upgraded Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 versus 2-year-old Snapdragon 870. Will there be any kind of difference? If there is a difference, how much difference it's gonna be there? All of those details I'll try to discuss in this video. So let's start with the first game, which is Asphalt 9 game, Snapdragon 870 versus Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor, iQOO 7 versus POCO X8 device. And the first phone to open is the Asphalt 9 from the iQOO 7 device. Even though iQOO 7, which is of 2-year-old mobile phone, but still the phone was able to open faster than the POCO X8 device. As you can clearly see, this is a POCO X8 with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor, and which is also called as the Redmi Note 12 Turbo device. And right now you can clearly see the difference, the Snapdragon 870 versus 7 Plus Gen 2. Snapdragon 870 is also pretty good, which did open faster than the 7 Plus Gen 2 processor. That's kind of quite shocking to see regarding the overall speed test. You can definitely see, friends, even though the phone has got like 2-year-old Snapdragon 870 processor and I have used for 2 years, but still the phone was able to like perform really pretty good when comparing with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2. And the FIFA game first did open in the POCO X8 with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor. And final game, which is the PUBG New State, so iQOO 7 versus POCO X8. Snapdragon 870 versus Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 processor. And now we're gonna see the overall speed test. And this is a final game comparison between these both phones. The Snapdragon 870 did open slightly faster than the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2. So this is a quick overall speed test, friends, comparison with this what you can actually expect between these both phones in terms of the overall speed test comparison. The iQOO 7 device did open faster than the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 in this kind of speed test. That's kind of quite shocking to see this kind of results from the iQOO 7 device, so which I was not expecting from the 2-year-old mobile phone processor, so Snapdragon 870. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and signing off, and bye.